this project that we're going right now it's called 1912, and it's actually we're doing a major renovation to this home that is from 1912, and so we're keeping half of the house on its original state and keeping the actual original stairs as well, and then we're just changing the look on the front to be more like, you know, modern and up to date. The back house, and then it's just like this, it's just a half new and the addition that we have done there. It's a lot of work attaching new foundation to an old foundation and doing the underpinning, but it was done, and it's a great project, and it's nice to be able to save a 1912 house and not just demolish it, just like add to it. It's a lot of work, but yeah, it's doable and it's fun.